Yeah. Let off. Do it again. I heard it that time. Do it again.